Pixie, did you both get the body?
Yes, sir. We got the wolf's body, right as you wish.
Excellent. Come inside.
Please just
Let's see how this goes.
now. It is time.
Rise from the death, the big, bad wolf.
Huh? No way.
What?
No. I believe you owe me a favor. You see, Wolf, the reason I brought you here back, it was because we need you for this mission, or my plan at least. Now, you can join us, and you can kill more innocent people, and so on. Do you accept? Yes. I knew you wouldn't go back down.